Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase wallet to your bank account. So how you can withdraw to your bank account or any other fund you want to transfer. So it's really simple and easy. So there are two ways. You can either go your coinbase.com account, which you have to sign in yourself in, or what you can do is you can just add the Coinbase wallet extension to your Google or Opera or whatever you have. So you just have to log into this extension as well. So this is basically my Coinbase wallet. So let's say I have some significant amount of funds over here. Now once I have those funds, I can send it to another wallet or let's say another fund transfer, but obviously I can send it to a bank account. So to send it to your bank account, all you need to do is you are going to sign in yourself in. Once you are here, you are logged in to your account. What you are going to do, obviously there are many ways. You are going to go to your assets. If you don't have any assets over here like me, you can just go into trade, and once you go into trade, you are going to see many different assets over here. So let's say you want to buy some Ethereum or let's say some Tether, buy some Tether. You have to click on that. Once you click on that, all you need to do is you are going to buy your Tether, and then you're just going to click on send and receive. After clicking on that, obviously I can't fully verify it right now. Once you click on send or receive, you are just gonna write some bank account over here or whatever you like, or you can just go into the settings, and in settings you are going to go to payment method, and you are going to click on add a payment method, and you have to put in your bank account or whatever you have over there. It depends on your country. If a bank account isn't supported in your country, then it won't work. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.